Welcome back to Cook Like a German. State number 15, Schleswig-Holstein in the north, bordering like Denmark, our northest state in Germany, Bundesland. And what do? We have the east and the west oceans, so we have a lot of fish. So I would like to make very common, like a shrimp salad. I mean, our shrimps here, I can't get the little guys what we have at the North Sea. They would be, I don't even know if I have a little guy like that. It's like half the size of this guy. But these are pretty good. They're getting close to it. And we're making a shrimp salad, what is really nice appetizer. And we are making a shrimp soup because I do have some potato curry soup. Very simple, like just vegetable broth, potato and curry. And we will incorporate a couple of shrimps just to give us a little bit more oomph for our meal and not only a salad. But normally these are cooked. You can eat them. Yeah, you can eat them how they are. But even for a salad, I would like to have them very quickly in oil and butter and then assemble a salad with it. So let's get to it. We will have some olive oil here, a little bit olive oil in there. And we will throw a little bit butter in there. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. The butter is incorporated in our oil. This is all hot. Before I throw my shrimps in there, I squeeze those lemons into my marinade for the salad. And why wasting them and not throwing them just into it? You know, they will, yeah, it's a little splatter, but it will give you a little bit of umami. It gives you a little bit of acid. And with this, we're throwing our salad shrimps in there. So we threw the shrimps in there. They are cooked already. They don't need much, but they get a little bit butter, a little oil, a little lemon, and I want to throw again also in parsley. And when we assemble the salad, we have radishes, we have dill pickles, we have like a salad, this is romaine, we have garlic, and we have scallions. We have a mixture out of herbs and spices, like mainly red pepper, salt, garlic. It's your palate. You can add more to it. We have red onions. We have cucumbers. We have more parsley. This is a vinaigrette out of white vinegar, not white wine. I like the strong white vinegar, and oil and some herbs. And we use some more romaine to assemble. So we have more shrimps left. Like I said, we have this curry soup, and we modified it a little bit, and we throw our shrimps in there because they will be wonderful as a little soup. All right, so our shrimps, literally 1 minute. They were cooked already. Even if you get them raw, a minute is good enough. We let them cool down. We don't want to assemble the salad hot. So let them cool down a little bit. Then we assemble the salad and we dish out our soup with the shrimps in there. So while this is cooling, I want to taste it. This should taste like ocean. Fish, ocean taste. Awesome. Finish up the Krabbensalat with dressing, olive oil, white distilled vinegar, and like herbs, and a little bit pickle juice and pickles, and red onions. here we have it. Little shrimps, salad shrimps, a little shrimp dish, and shrimp soup with a baguette, or in this case, little rolls, a nice little dinner.